I do love this pearlescent white. What a great colour. What a great car. And I've seen in the factory how they produce this quilted leather. I love the detail of it. They are done by hand on a bench, which is computerized. You feed it across and the bench sort of does the patterns for you. But beautiful blue interior. This is a really nice looking car. I love the pearlescent paint as well. What a lovely Vanquish. That's another one in the same colour going off. Slightly different model, but the same pearlescent white.